It's important to me, and trying to work in the oral cavity and understanding how these animals respond when something's wrong in their mouth. Dogs and cats don't show pain in oral disease. Their primitive drive to eat and to continue to thrive is so strong that it will overcome a lot of the pain that they feel. And many times we don't know how much pain they were in until we take care of the problem, and the owners come back to me 2-3 weeks later and say, "Oh my God, he's acting like a puppy. We had no idea that this was like this." I know that there's probably a lot of pets out there that may have some oral disease that we don't know about because they can't tell us. I really like that this clinic is able to provide some very, very high level oral surgery, dentistry, periodontics, all kinds of dentistry. Dentistry in itself is a whole world. Oral surgery in itself, fracture repair, TMJ trauma, removal of growths and making sure that they stay functional afterwards. It's one thing to fix something, but it's the other thing to make sure that they're functional when they go home and they can live a quality life afterwards. We've taken the steps to do that. We have the services of an anesthesia specialist, Dr. Heidi Schafford, that comes and helps us with a lot of high risk, and that's just one of those things that we are really blessed to be able to provide. I think when it comes right down to why I do what I do, and I've just happened to have chosen to do it with an animal dental clinic, is I want to help people really connect with animals. Is a wonderful way to do that, but connect with each other, connect spiritually, connect whatever it is that helps us have quality of life. You know, that really is what it's all about to me, is somebody, wanting to be happy and content with their life. And that to me is kind of, the big goal of why we're here is just finding out who we are and how we can really like who we are. Connection, part of the quality of living life, to me, is with animals. That's where I connect, and I can help other people that connect with animals. And I do that through animal dentistry.
I happened to meet Jean at a conference for specialists for dental and oral surgeons, and she struck me as an extremely exceptional surgeon. She is caring, extremely empathetic. Her skill level with animals on a one-to-one basis is unlike anything I've ever seen. Because she treats referring veterinarians as team members, we're able to work together as a triad: owners, referring veterinarians, specialty practice.
From the practices I've seen here with Dr. Badig and Dr. Block, I'm very amazed on they're very detail orientated, and they pay attention to what the patient's needs and how to make the clients happy, and to get the pet home as soon as possible.
I like working at the animal dental clinic because everyone that works here is extremely knowledgeable and compassionate, and genuinely is concerned for the well-being of not only the pet but the owner, and is committed to making sure that whatever needs to be done to make it right for the animal and the health of the animal and the good of the family, the owner-pet family bond, comes as a priority.
Her compassion, her work ethic, her honesty, her ability to take the time to explain all the necessary needs of each individual patient. She is willing to go above and beyond for the patient and the client for the best long-term outcome. One of the things at Animal Dental Clinic is we really try to focus on upfront costs and understanding the treatment options for your pet. So when your pet does come in for surgery, if we do find things while your pet is under anesthesia, Dr. Badig will stop and pick up the phone and call the owner, discuss what she sees, what she feels needs to be done, and then they make a decision together in moving forward or how is best to treat their patient, their pet.